In North America, artificial intelligence is coming in strong. We now have, I believe, the industries have the data available to actually start analyzing it, forming it, create the customer personas. So the data is available, and this AI is going to help us analyze this data, produce the results, suggest how you can better achieve your customer satisfaction, improve customer satisfaction scores. Everyone is looking at them. So AI is at this point, it's there, it's available, not at the level where it should be. I was reading somewhere we just spend very few companies spend $5 to $20 million on the AI or big data analysis of business intelligence services. So that's not a lot. We still have to do a lot more. But the good signs are that people have started recognizing the need of artificial intelligence. Cloud on the other side, of course, you need to expand your services now. Your customer base can grow to at any level. All the acquisitions and mergers which are happening, you cannot rely on on-premise applications. You have to go on the cloud. You have to expand. You have to be able to expand your infrastructure as needed. So cloud is definitely a market where everyone will eventually go. You cannot expand. You can just expand your infrastructure to a limited space if you are on-prem, right? So the cloud is definitely the next way to go. So Kubra had was in a challenging situation. Actually, we love to face the challenges that actually help us market or produce the solutions which our customers wants to see. So we were actually challenged with a pre-composed, to get rid of a pre-composed document. We were challenged to get rid of a pre-composed stock paper, and we wanted to get rid of all the pre-printed stock and move to a white plain roll printing. Now, we process millions and millions of documents, approximately 200, and if I'm not wrong, 280 million packages are actually mailed out. Just by Kubra, we reach out to 40% of the North America household. So it's a lot of pre-printed stock we had to manage in our warehouses, and we wanted to get rid of it. And we want to adopt the white paper so we can print everything on the fly. We only have to worry about one big white paper roll. We can cut the paper by A4 or any size customers are asking for. They can change the look and feel of their letterheads on the fly. So that was a big challenge for us, and actually we reached out to different vendors. We reached out to Compart. We asked Compart if you can help us in this situation. We want to convert all these hundreds and hundreds of applications within 4 months of time frame. We didn't have much time because we didn't want to put our operations team in a dilemma where they had to deal with pre-printed stock and the white stock. They don't know which stock to pick and choose and create errors. So we reach out to Compart, we reach out to other vendors. One good thing we liked about Compart is your toolkit, the mill toolkit can be highly integrated with our applications, which is the document composition application. We can easily integrate, embed all the features within our application. We can utilize the toolkit to analyze the AFPs, the PDFs, the different number of different outputs we receive from our clients, and then we can easily overlay or underlay the images either on top of a document on as an underlay under the document, and we can create a document which can print on the fly on white roll. and that document will actually, what we were surprised to find out was it helped us enhance our spooling speed, because previously if we were printing PDFs, Compart solution actually gave us a AFP output, the ability to produce AFP output, which is very compatible to the printers, the high speed printers which we use. So the solution, Compart came on board just last month, if I'm not wrong, end of October. We went live successfully. We converted one of our largest print facility with the solution, and now we are able to actually on customer or client demand, we can just drop all the pre-printed stock and we can switch them over to white roll. The ROI was definitely, the return of investment was very quick. It's very quick. I mean, you're basically just getting rid of all the pre-printed stock, and imagine a client with 7 million customers. You have to manage at least 3 months of paper stock, which actually equates to 21 million pages. So you have to store them somewhere in your warehouse. Advance, you cannot order on daily basis. So you actually just saved the $21 million, 21 million documents, the cost of that 21 million document upfront. Because you bill the client as you mail the documents, so you have to do that investment ahead of time, which now we don't have to do anymore. We were evaluating different Compart offerings. Last or early this year, when I was at Minneapolis Compart conference in USA, we saw Impress demo, Compart Impress demo. Very interesting. We are looking for a solution to offer our customers interactive bills. We are looking at Compart offerings, how it can help us convert a PDF or an AFP or a raw data file into an HTML interactive bill. So we would like to evaluate the Compart offerings. We want to see what is available and if that can fit the same way as our color bill migration or the white roll paper project went live successfully. If it is similar, if we feel it will suit our needs, then definitely we want to look at the Compart Impress. Other things are we're looking at some more products of Compart, like the Delta, Compart Delta product. We have huge number of customers who send us AFP and PDF files. It's very hard to compare those documents manually or to use a third-party standalone servers where we feed the data and then they tell us if there is any difference in the data file or not. We're looking at integrating with the Delta product to analyze the document within our infrastructure. The data security is one big thing in United States and Canada. You cannot pass your customers or clients' data to a third-party vendor. So we need to have a hosted solution which is within our infrastructure and within our boundaries, behind the firewalls, in a secured manner. So Compart offers that solution. Your solutions can actually host and sit within our infrastructure, so we don't have to call an outside API to get the data or to analyze the data. So that's one more product with the Delta which we are looking at. Being a customer and being a partner basically, like Compart has always worked with us as a close partners. I'll give you an example, and actually I shared it in the presentation as well. It really feels good when when our partner comes forward, comes with a solution, not just a solution, but understand our offerings and then provide the best solution which will fit within our infrastructure or the offering. So that's the partnership we always look for. We want honest people. You can do it, that's good. You cannot do it, you're willing to do it, that's what it counts. Great quality of a partnership, you have to be honest upfront. So it's a great partnership with Compart.